Your wife says she feels more like a roommate than a partner. You're not fighting, but you're not really connecting either, and you have no idea how to fix it. Here's the one 5-minute skill that can change everything. Most husbands think listening means waiting for their turn to talk. She shares something about her day, you nod along, and then you either offer a solution or change the subject. You genuinely think you're being a good husband, but what she experiences is you not really hearing her at all. Here's the truth. Listening isn't passive, it's active, and it doesn't require hours of deep conversation. Just 5 focused minutes can transform your entire day together. The skill is called the HEAR method, and it has 4 simple steps. H stands for hold space. When your wife starts talking, stop what you're doing. Put down your phone. Turn toward her. Make eye contact. This sounds basic, but most men don't do it. You're scrolling, half watching TV, or thinking about work. 5 minutes of actual presence beats an hour of distracted nodding. E stands for echo back. Repeat what you heard in your own words. Not word for word. That's annoying. But something like, so it sounds like your meeting today was really frustrating. This does 2 things. It proves you were actually listening, and it gives her a chance to clarify if you misunderstood. A stands for acknowledge feelings. This is where most men get stuck. You want to fix the problem, but she doesn't need you to fix it. She needs you to recognize how it affected her. Try phrases like, that must have been really stressful, or, I can see why that would upset you. You're validating her emotional experience, not solving the problem. R stands for resist fixing. This is the hardest part. Your instinct is to jump in with solutions. Fight that urge, just be present, let her process. If she wants your advice, she'll ask for it. Most of the time, she just needs to be heard. Here's what happens when men start using this. The first few times feel awkward. You're conscious of each step. But within 2 weeks, it becomes natural. And wives notice immediately. They start opening up more. The distance starts closing. You're not just roommates anymore. You're partners again. The beauty of this method is that it only takes 5 minutes. You don't need to set aside hours for deep emotional conversations. Just 5 focused minutes when she's sharing something with you. That's it. Now here's the thing most men don't realize. When you listen this way, you're not just hearing words. You're making deposits into your relationship account. Every time you use the HEAR method, you're showing her that her thoughts and feelings matter to you. And over time, those deposits compound. Most husbands think their wives want them to have all the answers. But what she actually wants is for you to just be there with her. The HEAR method gives you a framework to do that without feeling lost or helpless. Let me walk you through a real example. Your wife comes home stressed about a conflict with a coworker. The old approach would be saying, just don't let it bother you, or, have you tried talking to HR? The HEAR method approach. You stop what you're doing, turn toward her, and say, tell me what happened. You echo back what you heard. You acknowledge how frustrating it must have been, and you resist the urge to fix it. She processes it out loud, feels heard, and naturally de-escalates. The whole thing takes maybe 6 minutes. That's the power of this skill. It's not complicated. It's not time-consuming. But it works because it addresses what she actually needs. To feel heard and understood by the person who matters most. If your marriage feels more like coexistence than connection, try the HEAR method for 1 week. 5 minutes a day. Hold space, echo back, acknowledge feelings, resist fixing. Watch what happens. You'll notice a shift. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.